Hi, this is Nizar here from Alta Vista Deco Services Private Limited. We are the biggest glass decorators in India for perfumes, cosmetics, liquor, pharma, and tableware industry. I want to take a minute to express my sincere gratitude to the CUIT Box team for their invaluable support in helping me set up my systems. Being in a Tier 3 city, we have faced unique challenges in hiring talent and getting good technical support. Even if we managed to hire talent, it was very difficult to hold on to them. It is then that we took the help of CUIT Box services of remote DME that they provided. I was initially very skeptical about the effectiveness of this team because always internal team is more reliant than an external team, and I had already faced problems with my earlier external DMAs. But the CUIT Box team proved me wrong. Their team, the remote DME, was there 24/7 to handhold my team in every step. They, their understanding of our processes and tweaking their systems to to match to our requirements, constant and rigorous follow-up from their team was amazing. That's what helped my team to design so many of their FMSs and their systems that we couldn't do in the 1 year of BMP course. Their team has their implementation team as well as their remote DMA services are exceptional, and I would definitely recommend people who face challenges with their internal or external MIS teams to take their help, and it would definitely speed up their process of setting up the systems. I once again want to express my team sincere gratitude, especially to my remote DME Bharti as well as Sadbir, my implementation team Sadbir, who have gone out of their way and helped us to set up our systems. Thank you very much.